Okay, well, it's a nice sunny warm day here on February 5th. So we thought we'd pull the Star out of the shop, give it a little run time. We just went through this engine mechanically. It was repainted probably 50 years ago. It was owned by a fella, I believe in New Jersey, that later moved down to Florida and made its way back to Indiana. It was part of the Kenny Wolf collection. Kenny and Wendy had it for quite a few years, and then about a year and a half ago we brought it home and been working on it here for the last few months. I believe there's about 8 of these engines left. This one was built in New York City, probably sometime right around the turn of the century. It's got a very classic East Coast design with the high bearings, the cylinder that mounts up on a shelf. Very nice lines. Very typical East Coast engine design, kind of like the Bacchus, and White and Middleton shares some similarities with that. Fairly simple engine, but very elegant. You got a big oversized igniter in the top of the cylinder. Trip runs back there off a cam. Vertical flyball governor. Unique drive on the governor with the bevel gear that is in conjunction with the spur gear. Latch out. Block right there. Lever comes up off the governor. Spring underneath there that's adjusted by that thumb screw to control the speed. This here is the advance and retard on the igniter. Change the timing. This is a gas engine as opposed to gasoline. Some of the Stars had a brass carburetor on the front of the head down below here, but this one was set up to run on natural gas. So it's got the third valve in the head, controls gas flow when the push rod goes back. Intake valve, exhaust valve, obviously. A lot of nice bright work. I'll shoot you a shot in the box here. We even got a spare igniter for it. And that's a quick walk around on it. We'll see if we can make it run.